Welcome to another video on my walking robot Mirft2, made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller which runs embedded Linux. Equipped with a camera right here to make an image of or grab an image of those objects and then do some color separation using Python and OpenCV. Another thing is though, a walking robot is supposed to walk. That's why it's called a walking robot. However, that doesn't quite work yet. Why, I don't know, but I have a clue because recently I took a look at the underside of the robot and saw some part wiring that wasn't like the other motors. And there are 4 motors. So my first look is at grabbing the image and see the color separation, and then take a look at the motors. See how that works out. So in this part you can see the Robot Pro interface test. Here in this terminal I'm logged into the TXT controller. Here as well, and you can see that the date is today's date without me having to correct anything. This terminal is on this computer and has been set ready to receive all images which are being grabbed by this camera, and the wiring of which I noted that some wiring somewhere was not correct, is not correct somehow, but that comes later. First let me enter software pointed at well, the color array, which says also, let me run it. Oh wait, I have to disable this one. Yep, for now, because when the interface test is running I can't run software. Okay, let's say 450. You see which one is running. And which one is clearly not. So it should be running freely, but how and why? And why is this wrong? Okay, I have to see that here. So I have to say, let's say no, that has to be a different one. So next, and this one should be it then. No, different. Oh wait, line that is line 261. And then invalid keyboard, which is strange because it has been used before, like here and here. Did I make a typo? Oh wait, this is a difference. difference, this should be a minus. And I have to edit it properly. This is a minus. Okay, let's go again. Please not again. Okay, and so debugging takes time and is limiting my time for the wiring. Alright, now it should go on. No kidding, 263. Yeah, exactly the same thing. Okay. Anyway, I should have pictures now. Image 14/19, which is this. In itself, it's something good. And what I'm interested is result. Okay, there is some color separation. This is recognizable as part of this basket, but that's all. This is not recognizable. Do I have some more? No. Let me run it once again. Alright, I first had to deal with another camera error, then it ran nicely until I indeed heard a nice fire brigade sound. Access panning is IQ voltage is 0 volts because I'm running from the net adapter, but what it is about is imaging. So let's go to it's 2014 22 26 apparently, which is exactly the same, so there's absolutely no change, although it works better than the other one, and then I mean of course my driving robot, but this is not really what I expected. I should see something here, oh, which I do, kind of. Here, this is totally gone, and this is totally gone as well. So, no, it's not what I expect. With that done, I want to see for the motors. Right, now that I'm not running my own software anymore, but I'm just doing the interface test, M1 is connected, well, not really connected, but synchronous with M4, and M2 is with M3. So, how to make this logical? A very good question. Let me reduce this to 4, as well as this one, 4, and run. which one is there supposed to go. Okay, stop. 8 then. And run. Do nothing. Okay. Well, almost nothing. I hear something. Let's go here then. Okay. Very convincing. So it's M1 and M4. Now the problem here is there's only 2 wires drawn, but there are actually 3 connectors. The power connectors, 2 and 1 for the encoder, which has more than 1 wire. So how to do this without ruining everything? Trying to be careful enough. And then, okay, this one. Here you can see green, green, green and red. So which direction are they supposed to run? Given the fact that these 2 motors are driving this side, which does run nicely. These 2 run this side that does not run nicely. My conclusion is that this one is wrongly wired. On the other hand, it can be yeah, that's a problem with everything connected. This is for the left side. Yeah, this is the right hand side, which means M1 and M4. So let's see for M1. Okay. That sounds like contradiction. It sounds like contradiction, so I have to do something here. I have to figure out what. Rewiring or programming it differently. Because here I don't have a symbol for a motor that is that has other than 2 wires. Alright, that was something kind of equivalent to surgery, because I simply did not feel like taking the whole thing apart. So let's run it again, starting with the left side. And then the right side. And that was a very good decision to rewire, to switch the controls, the powers. It was indeed contra direction. So with this demonstrated, let's for one more time run the software. Hopefully without an error. Oh wait, of course this doesn't work because this one is still active. This will work better. Yep. Camera connected, sounds good. Speed. Lo and behold, they both work. Okay. Alright. I won't check the finished images, but the mechanics are a lot better. And that's good. So, with a rewiring and well, some software improvements in Python, it works a lot better now. So now I can start really walking the robot, and I have to improve the color separation from this stuff, because it is intended to separate the red, as you have seen, but it doesn't do it quite well. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click some bell to get notified. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. And you can support by becoming a patron or donate via PayPal or IBAN. So, to be continued. See you next time. Stay safe. Bye.